Magandang hapon po. I further research correcting the earlier vlog na inilagay ko po na si Nicolas Torre ay hindi pa masyadong klarado kung bakit siya ay sinibak. Pero as far as the research that I already called this morning, ang pagka-relieve po sa kanya might be connected to his handling of the recent reshuffle of the police officials, which was reversed by Napolcom, or his handling of high-profile cases like the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte and Kingdom of Jesus Christ leader Apollo Kibuloy. So, siya po ay immediate na ni-relieve dahil ang Napolcom nag-issue po ng resolution number 2025-0531 instructing him to reinstate Nartates as Deputy Chief of Administration and Lieutenant General Bernard Banac as Commander of Area Police Command Western Mindanao. Ang ginawa po kasi niya, gusto niyang itapon si Nartates sa Western Mindanao. This resolution cited Napolcom's authority to exercise administrative control and operational supervision over the PMP. So, ang defense po ni Torre ay ang appointment ng PNP chief is his discretion at saka dapat based on merit and fitness and not favoritism. It is just saying wala kang pakialam DILG Remulla dahil ito ay tinatapon ko dahil ito ay based on merit and fitness. Ang nangyari, nagpatawag siya ng command meeting noong August 22, 2025, last Friday, at gumawa po ng 18 PNP regional directors ng manifesto of support for Torre affirming their commitment. Of course, takot man yan sila na kahit hindi nila gusto, mag-sign sila doon sa manifesto. Allegedly, the controversy raised questions about whether Torre abused his discretion by not following the chain of command through Napolcom, which is chaired by DILG Secretary Remulla. Napolcom's move to reverse Torre's reassignment orders, suggesting that the commission believes Torre overstepped his authority. Naalala nyo, nung sinabihan ni Remulla na siya ay pit bulldog na kung ano ang sabihin sa kanya ng kaniyang amo ay tatalima siya. Parang doon nag-spark ang away nilang dalawa of Remulla calling him a pit bulldog. So, of course, maraming nasiyahan na napalitan siya, pero the people are calling out. Sana tingnan ni, kung wala mang hand, pero walang maniniwala siguro na walang hand si Remulla dyan. Kung wala mang hand si Remulla, na isabay na yung mga nakaka-weigh down kay President Marcos, like of course, alam na natin kung sino yung mga atakdog niya na hindi man kailangan talaga sa kaniyang administration na may mas magandang ko-convey sa kaniyang mga messages at programs at sana tutuhanin niyang may makulong talaga, hindi lang yung investigation nag-e-end, yung talagang may makukulong ng mga directors, district engineers, COA na nag-report na nag-sign na confirm pero wala pala yung mga projects na yon. So, I think he should really be mindful na itong mga taong ito, kagaya ng tatay niya noon, ay nawi-weigh down ang kanyang performance because of these people na hindi naman talaga nakakadagdag sa kanyang magandang imahe. Thank you for subscribing. commenting, and liking.